Phrasal verbs for everyday conversations. Wake up, meaning stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Get up, meaning rise from bed. Example, I get up immediately after my alarm rings. Turn on, meaning start a machine or light. Example, can you turn on the light, please? Turn off, meaning stop a machine or light. Example, don't forget to turn off the TV before bed. Brush up, meaning improve a skill quickly. Example, I need to brush up on my football skills before the game. Pick up, meaning lift something or someone. Example, can you pick up the kids from school today? Drop off, meaning take someone to a place and leave them there. Example, I'll drop you off at the station. Look after, meaning take care of someone or something. Example, can you look after my dog while I'm away? Run out of, meaning have no more of something. Example, we've run out of milk. Can you buy some? Eat out, meaning eat at a restaurant. Example, let's eat out tonight. Clean up, meaning make a place clean and tidy. Example, we need to clean up the kitchen after dinner. Put away, meaning store something in its usual place. Example, please put away your toys before bedtime. Take out, meaning remove something from a place. Example, can you take out the trash? Hang up, meaning end a phone call. Example, she hung up before I could say goodbye. Call back, meaning return a phone call. Example, I'll call you back later. Set up, meaning arrange or organize something. Example, can you set up the meeting for tomorrow? Give up, meaning stop trying. Example, don't give up on your dreams. Cut down on, meaning reduce the amount of something. Example, I need to cut down on sugar. Work out, meaning exercise. Example, I work out at the gym every morning. Figure out, meaning understand or solve something. Example, can you figure out how to fix this? Come up with, meaning think of an idea or plan. Example, she came up with a great idea for the project. Fill out, meaning complete a form. Example, please fill out this application form. Get along with, meaning have a good relationship with. Example, I get along well with my colleagues. Break down, meaning stop working for machines. Example, my car broke down on the way to work. Catch up, meaning get to the same point as someone else. Example, I need to catch up on my work after being sick. take up, meaning start a new hobby or activity. Example, I've taken up painting recently. Give in, meaning stop resisting, surrender. Example, after arguing for hours, I finally gave in. Put off, meaning delay something. Example, don't put off your homework until the last minute. Go over, meaning review or check something. Example, let's go over the plans one more time. Look forward to, meaning be excited about something in the future. Example, I'm looking forward to the weekend. Make up, meaning invent a story or excuse. Example, he made up a story to explain his lateness. Run into, meaning meet someone unexpectedly. Example, I ran into an old friend at the supermarket. Set off, meaning begin a journey. Example, we set off early to avoid traffic. Turn up, meaning arrive or appear unexpectedly. Example, she turned up late for the meeting. Turn down, meaning refuse an offer or request. Example, he turned down the job offer. Take off, meaning for planes, leave the ground. Example, the plane took off at 8 p.m. Put on, meaning wear clothing. Example, put on your coat. It's cold outside. Get over, meaning recover from an illness or setback. Example, it took me a week to get over the flu. Pass away, meaning die. Example, her grandfather passed away last year. Bring up, meaning mention or introduce a topic. Example, she brought up an interesting point in the meeting. Break up, meaning end a relationship. Example, they decided to break up after 5 years together. Look up, meaning search for information. Example, I need to look up the address online. Show up, meaning arrive or appear. Example, he showed up late to the party. Calm down, meaning relax after being angry or upset. Example, she took a few deep breaths to calm down. Catch on, meaning understand or become popular. Example, it took a while, but he finally caught on. Come across, meaning find something by chance. Example, I came across an old photo album in the attic. Get by, meaning manage to survive or live. Example, it's hard to get by on such a low salary. Hold on, meaning wait a short time. Example, hold on, I'll be right back. Keep on, meaning continue doing something. Example, keep on studying. You're doing great. Pass out. Meaning, faint or lose consciousness. Example, she passed out from the heat. Show off. Meaning, display proudly. Brag. Example, she loves to show off her new car. Take after, meaning resemble a family member. Example, she takes after her mother in looks and personality. Turn around. Meaning, move so that you are facing the opposite direction. Example, turn around and you'll see the sign. Work out. Meaning, find a solution. Example, we need to work out a plan to solve this problem. Give away. Meaning, donate or give something for free. Example, she decided to give away her old clothes. Hold up. Meaning, delay or block the movement. Example, the traffic was held up by an accident. Keep up with. Meaning, stay at the same level or speed. Example, I can't keep up with the news these days. Put up with. Meaning, tolerate or endure something. Example, I can't put up with this noise anymore. Run away, meaning leave unexpectedly, escape. Example, the dog ran away last night. See off. Meaning, say goodbye to someone at the start of their journey. Example, I went to the airport to see her off.